Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa Love. I'm currently a long-term care ombudsman in Philadelphia, serving the northeastern and some of the northern Philadelphia nursing homes. What I've enjoyed so far in the courses were the nonverbal communication. I It was interesting to learn and now associate Erickson life stages. Also, the older adult interview and the two group projects so far. I enjoy the projects. One of the reasons is that I like communicating with people, and I strongly believe that communication is an integral part of social services. I'm looking forward to continuing the discussion boards with you all, and good luck. Thank you.